affect parents.
I agree with you. As you say that joint family, on according to joint family, you say that the security in joint family is much better than nuclear family. But if we talk about the privacy of nuclear family, there's more privacy in nuclear family than joint family.
Joint family is good, but there is a fashion in present time is in nuclear family. So both are good, but joint family gives us more chance to spend our life very easily and smoothly. And in a nuclear family we have much burden because we live in alone, and we have to anxiety to our children and our wife also. So it is very difficult to live in a nuclear family, but joint family is helpful to our life.
In recent times, we have seen adults nowadays are not interested in joint family because there are many reasons. But joint family is our culture, so we should stay with it.
When we are living in joint family, we can our forefathers can tell us about the culture and traditions, and we got the experience of our elders. So in my thinking, joint family is a good decision.
In my opinion, joint family is very good, but in present time, youth would like to live in nuclear family because youth are found many privacy if you lived in a private in nuclear family. But if you live in joint family, you get many experience with your parents and grandfathers, and you found many important things you learn your parents.
I would like to add one more point that in joint family people are not interested for doing work because they depend on the main person of the family. But in nuclear family, the main person does work clearly.
In my point of view, when we are living in nuclear family, there is a joint family, there is a problem of privacy. But when we are living in nuclear family, we can take any decision because we are mature. When we are going to out of house and return at midnight, then there are a lot of people who ask us that when you are coming, and so there is a problem of privacy. Then nuclear family is a good, and as a proverb, a small family is a good family. It goes to on that.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Medison, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks, and I am pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket. In spare time, I read book and watch movies. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parents' dream. We are gathered here to discuss a topic. Topic is nuclear family versus joint family. First of all, I want to define what is nuclear family and what is joint family. The family in which parents and their kids live together called nuclear family, and the family in which grandfathers, grandmother, aunt, auntie, uncle, and parents and their kids are living together called joint family. As all we know, everyone has two sides, positive and negative. Similarly, there is a lot of advantage and disadvantage of nuclear family and joint family. If we talk about the advantage of joint family, there is many advantages of joint family. As in joint family, many type of members are living together. As grandmother and grandfather, they have well experience and they can guide us proper. So we can mature to take decision in a right way. And if we talk about the advantage of nuclear family, they have also their own advantage because in nuclear family, the main person of the family have not much burden. He has a small family, and if he earn small money, he can survive easily. This type of problem can't happen in joint family because there is a lot of members are living together, and so if in joint family the earner is only one person, he have to face many type of problem because they have. Thank you.
I want to add one more point. If we talk about the security of children, the security of children is much better in joint family than nuclear family, because there are many people who take care of the children, and but in nuclear family there is much less security in joint.
I would like to add one more point that in joint family we can see there are many kinds of people who live together. Sometimes they fight with each other. This is not good. And we can see in nuclear family he lives alone, so he did not fight.
But my friend, between husband and wife, fight can be happen.
Yes, I agree with my friends that but in the joint family we are live with love, and in the joint family we are sometimes feel depressed because we are live alone, which is not good.
Yeah, I am agree with you. As you said, the quarrel in joint family is more happen than nuclear family. If we are living in joint family, we have to live with a love and affection with other members of the family.
Kidnapping cases in joint family when compared to the nuclear family is less than, because there are a lot of members are available on the joint family who can take care of their child. But when we compare nuclear family, their parents are living, and when they go outside their house, and the kidnapping cases and child trafficking cases are much.
My friend said that if you live in nuclear family, husband and wife are fighting. So in my opinion, it is the main reason of divorce, because because parents are not present in a nuclear family, and parents not give your opinion in fighting the husband and wife.
In joint family, if only a person earns and more other person don't earn, then he will get into depressed. That is very harmful for his health. But in a nuclear family, a person who earns and he also expends, that is good for his health. And so
when we are living in joint family, and when we have to face the difficulties time, and there are a lot of members are present in the joint family who can and support you. But when we are living in nuclear family, you will have to accept all this. You will have to face all the difficulties.
But in nuclear family, a person can be more self-independent than joint family. So I think it's very good step in nuclear family.